Hi everybody! Believe it or not, I'm actually posting on social media this week. And if I'm taking the time to do that, you know it must be something very, very big. In fact, it was records for the UK, virtually China, as well as Japan last week at RX. Regardless of all the propaganda you may hear from everybody else, our record week in sales. We came so close to it the week before and the week before, I thought for sure we were going to hit it. This week, never in the time of RX have we had a week of sales as high as we just had. In fact, if we keep this current rate, we are going to blow away 200 million over the next 12 months. What a phenomenal effort you are all doing. I always said we were going to get to the top 3, Avon, Amway, and RX, but I've changed my goal. I don't want to just be one of the top 3, I want to be number 1. And I have a hunch, with your help, we're going to do it. Well done, keep up the great work.